Hello everyone and welcome to SOS Heritage web app. This is a brief tutorial on how to access and use the application. This tutorial will guide you through the basic steps of using the app effectively. If you're new to the app, go to SOS Heritage's website, click on Register, and follow the prompts to provide the necessary information. We will create an account for you as soon as possible. Once you have received your credentials, open your web browser, preferably Google Chrome, and navigate to the SOS Heritage web app. Now enter your credentials and click Login. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. This central hub provides an overview of your heritage site assessments and reports. You might find sections such as Detection Cards. This is the core of the web app. This is where you'll be able to start filling out the checklist and assess the risk levels on your collection. User Information. In this section, you can get an overview of the basic information of your account. Survey. By clicking the Fill in the Survey button, you will have access to a web app satisfaction questionnaire. By filling out the questionnaire, you can leave us feedback and help us improve the app. Change your password. By clicking on the button in the upper corner right of the dashboard, you can change your password at any time. To start your risk assessment procedure, you have to navigate to the Detection Card section. In the table below, you will find all the forms that have been assigned to you by the back office for carrying out the risk assessment. To start filling out your risk assessment, you will need to select from the grid the ID number of the form you wish to fill out. This is a fundamental step in order to be able to fill in the risk assessment forms. If no form is selected, in fact, the system will not allow you to continue with the compilation. At this point, you can start filling in details about the general information section such as the name, location, and ownership of the site. Once you have finished filling out this section, click Update. Now that you have learned how to navigate the app, you can continue with your risk assessment by moving on to the next sections. In the next videos, we will explain each section of the app in detail. Thank you from the whole SOS Heritage team. Enjoy the app.